away the data from recent MRI scans and DNA testing, which call into question information gathered from years of simple carbon dating.
Got that woman sitting out by the pool getting tan. All leathery and wrinkled. I'm so jealous!
Finally, factor in the profusion of new species recently discovered. Giganotosaurus, Argentinosaurus,
not to mention the Coldsaurus.
And that's just the herbivores. I'm not even going to discuss the carnivores. Their heads are already too big, which is ironic considering their stunted cerebral development.
Really?
But all kidding aside, in much the same way that Homo ergaster is now thought to be a separate species from Homo erectus.
He said erectus.
You're kidding, right?
No, he really said it.
And while there are certainly vast differences between these Mesozoic fossils and the example of Homo erectus,